So, you guys, guess what I've been working on today? Some new glosses. These are the first three of my new gloss collection, I guess you could say. And I like how they look and they smell so freaking good. Like they smell beautiful, okay? They smell so beautiful. So, this is how they look. I filled 3 tubes so far. So I have 3 squeeze tubes and then 3 wand tubes. But the wand tubes are only for wholesale. So that's the only reason I filled these ones up. So if someone wants to buy the nude glosses and wand tubes, of course I had to have a picture showing them so they can know how they look. So this is how they look in the wand tubes. And this is how they look in the squeeze tube. So these glosses will be available for regular purchase in squeeze tubes and wholesale. This is Dream Chaser, Millionaire, and Go Getter. This one is bubblegum scented. This is vanilla scented, and this one is cake batter scented. They smell so good, and I use my new formula, which y'all have seen in my wholesale videos, which is the grapeseed oil and the castor oil. But my other glosses that are like for regular purchase are still just using the vitamin E oil, and I've been having a sale going on so that I can get rid of those glosses. I still have a few left, so hopefully those will get sold really soon, so I can go ahead and use my new formula and put scents to all my glosses. Right now they're just like a natural smell, but once those get sold, I will be making all my glosses over using the oils, the grapeseed oil and the castor oil, and then I will put scents, a lot of different scents. So all of my glosses will have different scents. But yeah, bubblegum, vanilla, and cake batter. And this is how they look. So these are the first 3. So since I already have my glosses already mixed, because I did that for content for my Instagram, make sure y'all follow my business Instagram so keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube. I'm just gonna fill a couple more tubes because I'm gonna be releasing these glosses tomorrow, and I'm hoping that people are interested in purchasing them. I'm just gonna make a few. So by the time this video goes up, these will definitely be available, so y'all can go ahead and shop if y'all want. I am going to add a swatch video into this video so y'all can see how they look. It's more of a tint gloss. That's what I would say. It's more of a tint gloss. But if you want it to be pigmented, you would keep adding more gloss to your lips. Y'all, I'm just so obsessed with the smell. Like, it just smells so good. This is Go Getter, Dream Chaser, Millionaire. And these are the new glasses. Whew. I like how they look, and they definitely feel really, really good. I hope that you guys like them too. Like I said, they will be available for regular purchase and wholesale. Got some glosses coming soon where I'll be adding like rose petals and stuff and chunky glitter, so definitely stay tuned for that. Those probably won't release until probably 2 weeks from now. Hopefully I can get this video up this week, hopefully tomorrow. I'm gonna edit it tonight so y'all can see tomorrow once I release them. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are at 6K. This is crazy. I really believe we're gonna hit 10K this year. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe for me. I would greatly appreciate it. I forgot this video is playing. Yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and support me. I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure you follow my business Instagram. We're moving on up. We at 2,000, I think like 2,300 right now, something like that. I don't know, but we're definitely in the 2,000s. So my business page is finally starting to grow, so I'm really, really excited about that. So make sure you follow my business Instagram. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see y'all later.